Hey binder fans, Jeff here at IH Parts America, here to tell you about our latest shop project, this 1979 Scout 2. We just did a full rebuild on the drivetrain. So starting back up underneath the hood, the 345 got a full rebuild, new pistons, rings, bearings, cam, the full 9 yards. We had our local Napa Auto Parts store who has an awesome machine shop rebuild it for us. Of course, all of the engine parts came from us that we sourced from all over because it is getting hard to find these IH parts for the motors, but we're still able to get them here and there when we can. After being rebuilt, we put all the tin back on it and give it a nice fresh coat of IH red paint. We reinstalled the Sniper fuel injection system that came in it. However, this system had an external fuel regulator on it, and someone had left the internal fuel pressure regulator in it as well. So after discovering that, we've got that straightened out, got it running much better. The transmission has one of our CPT adapters that puts the 700 R4 automatic overdrive behind the IH motor. With that, we had another adapter to a Dana 20 transfer case. So all we did was the Dana 20, we took it apart and put a fresh rebuild, fresh bearings and seals in that. The rear end was unfortunately beyond being repaired, and so we put one of our new CPT Ford 9-inch rear ends in it with a limited slip differential. The Scout got a full rewire and a fresh exhaust system. Wasn't a full rebuild like our typical projects here where we go through absolutely everything and new body and paint. This one was just a mild build for us, just something to freshen up the drivetrain so the customer can take some nice long road trips on it and not have to worry too much about being, left on the side of the road. Okay, thanks for watching our latest video today. If you'd like to see more of this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like what you saw, give us a like. Also, leave us a comment about this particular project or maybe one that you'd like to see us do a video on soon. We do have a few of our own personal projects that we will be doing videos on here real soon. Just be patient. We got a lot of road trips coming up, and it's Ultimate Adventure season, so stay tuned because we're going to have some Ultimate Adventure stuff coming up very soon. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.